Welcome to Nico's Mandarin Learning Studio. Today, let's talk about the preposition for comparison sentences. When you like to indicate a relationship of comparison in your sentence. For example, my brother is older than me. This type of apple is cheaper than the other type. It is quicker to get somewhere by riding a bicycle than walking. You will need to use the word 比。我哥哥比我大。My brother is older than I. 这种苹果比那种苹果便宜。This type of apple is cheaper than the other type. 骑车比走路快。It is quicker to get somewhere by riding a bicycle than walking. The preposition be is often used when you like to compare A to B in your sentence. The usual structure is A, B plus adjective plus C. A and B are the two items that you like to compare in your sentence. C indicates the specific difference. 得多，多了，一点儿。For example, 我哥哥比我大3岁。My brother is 3 years older than I. 这种苹果比那种苹果便宜得多。This type of apple is a lot cheaper than the other type. 骑车比走路快很多。It is a lot quicker to get somewhere by riding a bicycle than walking. Before the adjective, you can also use 还 or 更 to express the degree of the difference. For example, his apartment is very clean. My apartment is a lot cleaner. 他家很干净。我家比他家更干净。She speaks Chinese very well. I speak better Chinese than she does. 他的中文说得真好。我的中文比他说得更好。Also, in your sentence, if the complement word is coming after the verb, the be plus be can be put either before the verb or after the verb and before the complement word. For example, 你来的比我早，你比我来得早。Both sentences mean the same. 今天天气比昨天好很多。今天比昨天天气好很多。The weather today is a lot better than yesterday. Mike 跑得比我快。Or Mike 比我跑得快。Both of the sentences means Mike runs faster than I. The two sentences, be plus be, in here is be and 我, has been put in two different positions. One is before the verb, which is 跑. The other one is before the complement, 快. Let's go review the sentences we learned today. 哥哥比我大3岁。这种苹果比那种苹果便宜。骑车比走路快很多。Okay, that's it for today. Hope this video can help you to learn be and to use it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.